Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to discuss about writing a C program to convert a decimal number into octal equivalent without using the concept of arrays. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. Let me first write the output of this program. When this program gets executed, it will ask user to enter a decimal number. Let us say 10. Then how can we find the octal equivalent of this decimal number 210? So to find the octal equivalent of this number, we need to keep on dividing this number by 8. 8 to the 16 and then we will left 50. So 8 into 6, 48, and we are left with 2. Then 8 into 3, 24, and we are left with 2. So now you can see we have got 322 as the answer. This is the octal equivalent of this 210. 322. Now we have got the octal equivalent of 210, but how we can use this method to write a C program which will convert this 210 into 322. So we can apply the same logic which we had used in the case of converting a decimal number into binary, which I have already discussed in my previous video. If you guys have not seen that video, you can get that video in the same playlist. So as you can see, since I'm expecting one number from the user, which is the decimal number, so to store that value in our program, we need to create an integer variable num, and we also require another variable, say reminder, and I will initialize the value to 0, and we also require one more variable place, and I will initialize the value 1 to this place variable. Now to find the octal equivalent of decimal number, we need to perform 4 steps. First step is to find the reminder. Reminder equals to mod 8. Then second step is num equals to num by 8. Third step is octal equals to octal plus reminder into place. Okay. Yes, we also need to declare octal variable and initialize the value of 0. Okay. Now the fourth step is place equals to place into 10. So these are the 4 steps we need to perform to convert decimal into octal. How long we need to perform these 4 steps? Until the value of num will become 0. That many number of times we need to perform these 4 tasks or steps. So let us first trace it out, this program. So first I will here write the first iteration. Now while num is not equals to 0, while num is how much? 210 is not equals to 0. Yes, condition true. Control will come inside the while loop to perform this first step. Reminder equals to num is 210 mod 8, and I will get 2 as the reminder. Next, num equals to num by 8, which is 210. 210 by 8, and I will get 26 in this operation. Next, oct equals to oct value is 0. 0 plus reminder. Reminder is 2 into place. Place value is 1, and which equals to 2 into 1 of 2, and place is equals to place is 1 into 10. Now the place value gets changed to 10, and also num value gets changed to 26. Now we need to move forward to perform the second iteration. While num is 26 now, 26 not equals to 0. Okay. Now this condition becomes true. When the condition becomes true, control will come inside the while loop to perform this first task. The remainder equals to num, which is 26 mod 8, and we will get 2 again as a reminder. Then num is equals to, num is 26 by 8 and I will got 3 after performing 26 by 8. Then oct is equals to oct value. Okay. Now in the previous iteration, what was the oct value? Oct value is 2 plus reminder. What is the reminder value? 2 into place value is 10, and I will got 20 plus 2, 22. Place equals to, place value is 10 into 10, which is 100. Get closed. Now we have got new place value and num value, and also we got new oct value. Now we need to move ahead to perform the next iteration, which is the third iteration, and in the third iteration the num value will be 3. 3 is not equals to 0. Okay. Since this condition becomes true, that's why the control will come inside the while loop to perform the remainder equals to num mod 8 equals to 3. Then this step, num equals to num by 8. Num is 3 by 8 equals to 0.37. Next, oct. Oct equals to, what is the oct value in the second iteration? 22 plus reminder. Reminder is 3 into place value. Place value in the last iteration is 100. Yes. Now we got 300 plus 22. Then place is equals to 100 into 10, 1000. Now you can see the num value is changed to 0.37, and when we moved in the next iteration, in the fourth iteration, since the num value will become 0, 0 is not equals to 0, this condition will not get satisfied. That's why the control will not come inside the while loop, and whatever value gets stored inside this oct variable, that will be the final output, which you can see a 322 we have got. Okay, so this is the logic for converting a decimal number into octal equivalent. Now we will use this logic to write a C program. Int num, then remainder equals to 0, place equals to 1, and oct equals to 0. Okay. Next, we need to display this message, enter a decimal number. Next, I need to read the input using the input scanf function num. Next, I need to write this logic. While num is not equals to 0, remainder equals to num mod 8, then num equals to num by 8, and oct equals to oct plus remainder into place, then place is equals to place into 10, bracket closed, and now I will print this value, printf octal equivalent of %d is %d, comma num, comma oct, then return 0, bracket closed. So this is how you can write a C program to convert a decimal number into octal equivalent. I hope you guys have understood how to convert decimal number into octal equivalent. So that's all for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.